Today, I'm going to show you how to make rutabaga fries in the air fryer. Let's do it.
Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me.
I already have my rutabaga cut up into French fry size pieces. I'm going to spray our rutabaga fries with olive oil cooking spray. I'm going to put salt, pepper, and a little paprika on them. Whoop! A lot of paprika. We're going to put these in the air fryer. We'll just start with a few. I've never made these before, so it's an experiment. So let's spray the other side. Put a little more salt on them. We've got it on 400, and let's do 15 minutes. We'll come back and check them in about 7 and go from there. It's been 7 minutes. Let's check our fries. Can you see that? I think they could go just a tiny bit more. Let me spray a little more olive oil cooking spray on them. Gonna stop them at 4 minutes because I think our fries are ready. Hot. Ooh, hot. I am happily surprised at how yummy these really are. This is so easy and so healthy. Peel the rutabaga, cut them up into French fry wedgie sizes, cook them in your air fryer, dip them in ketchup. Doesn't get easier than that.
Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.